Hi my dear learners and welcome once again to Math TV Lessons channel. Today we have a new topic to discuss, and in fact it is a leveling up of the topic that we have discussed from video number 1 and video number 2 about divisibility rules, but this time we will talk about the divisibility rules in 4, 8 and 12. I know you are so excited to learn, so let's go, let's start our lesson. So let's have a short review first about divisibility rules. Knowing about divisibility rules can help us find the factors of a bigger number or a larger number by just looking into its digits. In this lesson, you will learn the fundamental skills on how to know if the number is divisible by a larger number by just looking into its digits or by doing a simple calculation. In these lessons, you will learn on how to classify numbers if it is divisible by 4, 8, 12, and 11. You will also distinguish the different rules in identifying numbers which are divisible by 4, 8, 12, and 11. The divisibility rule is a shortcut in figuring out whether a certain number is divisible by 4, 8, 12, and 11 without having actually solved a division problem. There are certain rules that we need to observe the ones, tens, and hundreds place value. Take note that the rule of 4 and rule of 8 can be used by just observing the digits in ones, tens, and hundreds, while rule of 12 and rule of 11 are following 2 or more rules. Let's start from rule of 4. The rule of 4, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed in the ones and tens digits is divisible by 4 or it ends with 2 zeros. Example is 3672. 3672 is divisible by 4 since 72, which is the last 2 digits in a number, is divisible by 4. Another example is 67,700. 67,700 is divisible by 4 because the last 2 digits are zeros. And now let's proceed to rule of 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed in the ones, tens, and hundreds digits are divisible by 8. Example is 3672. 3672 is divisible by 8 because 672 is a multiple of 8. So therefore, it is divisible by 8. Let's proceed to rule of 12. Rule of 12. A number is divisible by 12 if, first, if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Second, the number formed in ones and tens digits is divisible by 4 or a multiple of 4. That is rule of 4. In short, a number is divisible by 12. It is divisible by 3 and 4. Example, 3456. 3456 is divisible by 12 because it is divisible by 3 and 4. Let's apply the rule of 3. So we are going to add all the digits. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 6 is 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6 without remainder. So meaning the number is divisible by 3. Check. And let us also check if it is divisible by 4 by just checking the last 2 digits. The last 2 digits is 56. So meaning the number is divisible by 12. Very easy. Another example is 48,516. 48,516 is divisible by 12 because when you are going to add 4 plus 8 is 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 is 17 plus 1 is 18. plus 6 is 24, and 24 divided by 3 is 8 without remainder. So means the number is divisible by 3. Now let's check if it is divisible by 4. How are you going to know if it is divisible by 4? By just checking the last two digits. The last two digits is 16. So 16 divided by 4 is 4 without remainder, or 16 is a multiple of. So let's proceed to rule of 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the alternate digits of a number first has a difference of 0. Second, has a difference divisible or multiple of 11. Example is 3,564. 3,564 is divisible by 11 because when you are going to add 3, the first digit and the third digit, because that is alternate digits. So 3 plus 6 is 9, and 5 plus 4 is 9. So if you are going to add the sum of the two, the answer is 0 because 9 minus 9 is 0. So means the number is divisible by 11. Another example is 91,839. 91,839 is divisible by 11 because if you are going to add 9 plus 8 plus 9, the answer is 26. And if you're going to add 1 plus 3, that is 4. And 26 minus 4 is 22. And 22 is a multiple of 11. Or if you are going to divide it by 11, the answer is 2 without remainder. So that is rule of 11. So we are done with the different rules from rule of 4, rule of 8, rule of 12, and rule of 11. So this time I think you're ready to answer some questions. So here are your questions. I will give you a few minutes to answer this one, and then you can comment below your answers. So while you're answering the questions, so I will play a video regarding our topic today. So please enjoy answering. Okay, time's up. So now let's have a short review on the different rules. So let's start from the rule of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed in the ones and tens digits is divisible by 4 or a multiple of 4. Rule of 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by ones, tens, and hundreds digits is divisible by 8 or a multiple of 8. A rule of 12. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by 3 and divisible by 4. And the last rule is rule of 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the alternate digits is 0, or it is divisible by 11, or a multiple of 11. So that's all, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something today. Thank you so much, kids, for watching, and I hope that you will enjoy your day. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye-bye!